Cracking your knuckles, annoying to some, satisfying to others. But is it actually bad for you? Let's find out. The sound you hear when cracking knuckles is caused by bubbles popping in the fluid that lubricates your joints. It's not your bones grinding together. Studies show that cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis or long-term damage to your joints. It's a harmless habit for most people. However, excessive or forceful cracking might irritate the surrounding tissues or cause discomfort, especially if you already have joint issues. So, cracking your knuckles isn't bad for you, but don't overdo it. Like, share, and follow for more quick health facts.